Hello, kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe. This is my channel.
And in today's video, I will be doing a green eyeshadow moment with orange lipstick. That will probably be eyeshadow as well. That's normal for me, if you're new. In the last video, if you didn't notice, I shaved my hairline. For a more round head, or the illusion of a more round head. I did less on this side, I think, because my head is a weird shape. Also, I don't know what I'm doing ever in my entire life. I just wasn't living for this, you know. But, like, somebody has to deal with this, though. And for now, that somebody is me. Anyway, let's get started. Oh, I didn't show you the picture yet. It's this one. It's this. It's my channel. You can't swear yet. I still live with my grandma. Green. With bottom lashes. Oh, with bottom lashes. Oh, see? Texture since the beginning. This picture is only a few months old, actually. Green with bottom lashes and orange lipstick and pink blush and silver jewelry, which is most likely what I'll be doing again. Water for primer. Seems fine. Hot Pocket cardboard. If I had the money, I'd be getting this. Getting more of these, the big pack. But I do not have it, so I cannot get it. Until I get a job again. Ooh. Anyway, this is the jewelry from the last video, the smoky eye video. What is that? What is this black liquid that got on my... What is that? Is that my marker? How did that happen? What is wrong with my brown marker, you guys? If there's a scientist watching, can you guys let me know? Science isn't real. I actually don't think I'm gonna do silver jewelry because... What is that? Play my heart off with your head. I don't think I'm gonna do silver jewelry because I'm wearing a gray shirt and I don't want to change. So, and also I don't do monochromatic jewelry to the shirt anymore. I don't want to. That's not who I am anymore. I decided a few months ago. You guys, should I do a light foundation today? Because I don't want to get out the other one. It's going to be this little today. This is only like the rest of the bottle, which is not much. And there's bubbles in it. So this is going to be a more natural look today. I'm being versatile. Like and subscribe. Make me rich and let me live my dream. I'll be one of the good rich people, I promise, I think. I promise, I think. I'll donate to a bunch of charities and not go corrupt, I'm pretty sure. I 100% know I don't know. You guys let me know. Should I go back to being brunette? I like the blonde, but it really doesn't look like... It doesn't really feel like me, you know what I mean? I don't know why they were none the wiser. He had such a big hat. They should have known there was a body under there. That's done. I'm gonna do a little doopy dump of concealer. Because, you know, there's still some blue being shown. I don't know. It just feels right. And I'm just gonna do. Load it up and do. It's a Normani song. Don't look it up if you're underage. It's this. What was that? Is there someone on my roof again? I thought we taught you a lesson the first time, old man. Why is it so dark outside? I thought I jumped forward 2 hours. The screenshot, it says 8 p.m. And I got confused. Sorry, I was a little bit frightened. That's just... God save the queen. Ooh. I just heard. Can you see... I make myself laugh. I'm funny. Stop. Powder. I'm powdering. I'm looking straight. Which one is the lazy one? Honestly. This is looking forward. Ugh. I don't know what's going on, you guys. Guys, gals, and non-binary pals. What is that? Chat, is this real? How many times did we have to roll down the window for my toots? And how many times did we have to do that for you? Carrot, you idiot. Okay, that's done. Spraying with water again. That's not, well, maybe. Yeah, thought this wouldn't be a fan. Never done anything right, it's coming. Hot fudge sundae, Pop-Tarts. Not my favorite. Oh, also the grape Pop-Tart. Have you ever had the grape Pop-Tart before? If you haven't, don't try it. It tastes like perfume. I don't know why they make Pop-Tarts that taste like perfume. Hello. Great. That's done. Now I'm going to highlight my face. Nowadays I just use one. Or sometimes if I'm feeling, I use two. In one of my other videos, one of my more recent ones, I was like, I love this highlighter. I like it for now. Maybe I won't like it later. I think it's fine now. It's not my boom, boom, boom favorite highlighter. I'm talking about this one. It's fine. I mostly use this one now. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. Because she does me good. I forgot that there was eyeshadow on this. So it's looking a little orange. Oops. You won't notice at the end, probably. Just thinking about a joke I made earlier. If you can't laugh at yourself, how in the H word are you gonna laugh at someone else? Can I get an amen up in there? I'm a little bit funny, not clickbait. If you disagree, stop. Don't tell me. I look like I'm wearing black scleras when I squint real hard. Or maybe I don't. Can girls that are sick be shiny still? Mr. Vice President, I'm speaking. It is what it is. I look great. And that can't wait to meet you. Watch me perform that in a few years. In full drag as baby. What then? Contour time. I'm using this. And that's what I'm gonna look like at the end. Firmly grasp. My humor is only gonna be references from now on, so be prepared. Be prepared. One of these days when I'm rich and famous and can make and can pay bills, I'm going to make a reference compilation of like references I make in my videos and like what I'm referencing right next to it. This video is gonna be a part of that video a lot of times. It was all in my head. Future Joe watching this, future thee. That was Ariana Grande. So you don't have to put that one in the compilation, but you probably will because you're a silly goose. Also, future Joe, if you're still watching, did you ever get good at putting on eyelashes? Comment below so I can see it. And so I'm contouring still and like, yeah. I think, but don't quote me on this, but I think that when I contour, and like warm up the perimeters of my face, this slightly looks more like this. Just a little bit. Except not really. Miss Jackson. I don't know why I keep encouraging myself to make more references. It seems like a fun thing to do. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. ASMR. Is this relaxing? Are you relaxed? Are you tingled? Are you going to sleep right now? I'll wake you up. I'll be your alarm clock. You guys, are you mad at me? Are you mad at me because I'm your alarm clock? Nobody likes alarm clocks. Nobody likes waking up early. Are you mad at me? If you're mad at me, stop. I didn't do anything wrong to you. Except when I did. Except if I did. Except, but never For blush, I'm going to be using this. Reveal. And I'm probably going to be using this one. Beauty Treats Matte Blush Palette. It's like $9 on Amazon. If you shop on Amazon. I gotta sneeze. And I'm really digging into where my sideburns used to be. I'm feeling very liberated in this moment. I feel like I might be able to vote this year. What am I talking about? What? I did the math wrong and forgot and thought that you... And I think my grandma was trying to get my video taken down because of copyright reasons. She's playing her movie awfully loud for someone that can hear. Perfectly fine. No one in my life wears as much makeup as me, and I consider that a win. Squidward's nose. Sorry. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera. Excuse me. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Good luck to you on your exam. Is it exam season when you are where you are? If you are, comment below. Do I look like a Who from Whoville? All right, they're done. Never the same shape. Always the bride. Now I'm gonna do green eyeshadow because I said I was going to do that and I still want to. Let's see if there's a green that's in a palette that I want to promote. Pretty All Set 3-in-1 Face and Eyeshadow Palette by You Can Be. You Can and Be. Pretty All Set, and it's covered in stars. And it's like $19.99 on Amazon. That's not the year it came out. All right. And I'm going to do the Color Splash signs. And I'm going to do the lime color first. This one. I'm holding it upside down. So it's not going to be in this order when you buy it. If you buy it, it's completely up to you if you buy it or not because I don't get paid by promoting them. And I'm just going to do one of these. I'm stip stomping and I'm also blendy blending. And I'm also Baldi's Basics. And then I was like, was that planned from the start? And then I reread it, and at the beginning they were like planting the seed that he is his dad. So, and I'm also going to do the darker green, this one right here. I hope there isn't an intruder downstairs because I'm so mad that I will personally take care of them myself. In the original picture, I did a green shimmer that is just a little bit lighter than the eyeshadow, but I want to do yellow shimmer and yellow glitter for this because I just decided. Now that I put the yellow shimmer on, it does kind of look like lime green, but when I put the yellow glitter on, it will probably still look like that. Should I do the yellow glitter that's yellow or the yellow glitter that has a little bit of a green reflect to it? Wherever that is. Did I put it in the green one? It's right there with the green. It looks like a yellow with the green undertone. But when I put the true yellow with it, it looks like a green. And that is science. I think I want to do the true yellow because it's going to be a pop of yellow and not a pop of lime. With that, you could do that in the cooking, with drinks, alcohol if you drink it, and if you're of legal age. If you're not of legal age, you should not be drinking alcohol. I just held up the glitter and just looked into it as I was about to. I'm making chocolate, of course. This is nail glitter. Don't do this. You could get hurt or blinded or both, and it's not worth it. Just get eye safe glitter or just put shimmer on your lids and face. I'm not legally responsible for what happens to you if you do this because I told you not to do it. Thank you. Yummy, yummy. Yummy in my tummy, tummy. I'm sick of having knee problems and turning just slightly the wrong way and my knee giving out. Glitter. And then glitter as well. I'm using this for mascara. As you can see, it looks like lipstick. But as you can see, it's a mascara. Put you on repeat, put you everywhere I go. Everywhere I go, put you everywhere I go. There's these blue gems right in front of me that I didn't put back for whatever reason. And they're hearts. Should I? Oh, actually, that looks so stupid. Thank you for letting me know. This one? I think I was wearing a similar lash such as this in the original. You know what I mean? I'm shaking a little bit. Oop. Malnourished. Some part of this lash is stabbing my eye. I don't like that. Oh, I know what it is. Somebody put a knife in here. All right. Now I'm going to be putting orange eyeshadow all over my mouth and then a clear gloss on top. Thank you. Or I can just leave it like this. Do you think Reba McEntire and Destiny's Child had like a mashup of Survivor and I'm a Survivor? I would like to hear it. I'm going to be doing this orange from the Pretty All Say You Can Be Face and Eyeshadow Palette 3-in-1 Face and Eyeshadow Palette. And as you can see, it's orange. If this is not safe, don't do it, but I don't actually know. You can research it for your safety. Clear gloss. That looks a little bit bad, so I'm going to reapply some, and usually that helps. Such as that. Feeling like that little girl in the backseat with the purple eyeshadow all over her head. Again. I always do. I always. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Okay, many layers later, and this is the finished lip. If you want to do this, just get an orange lipstick and an orange gloss or a clear gloss. And that'll be the day. You're gonna ruin the day. Anyway, I'm gonna brush my bangs and then I'll come right back so we can do the gory. Isn't that neat? BRB earring, broken earring, and then this one, a broken earring as well. And then this one, an earring. I turned into a clip-on. And then this one. And then this for the necklace. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And if you don't want to do that, oh, I already did that one. It's fine. It is what it is. But I want to be famous and rich. If you want to see all of my other socials, the links are in the description. Just click on the title of the video and you'll see them, I think. And yeah, that's everything. See y'all next time. It's a powerful magic when two hearts are one.